Welcome back to another episode of Junkin Treasures. So today we're going to go after another free boat. Sometimes they're nice, sometimes they're crap, mostly crap. This one is pretty crap. I found it on a job. A lady said you could have it. So it's old tri-hull. Got an old Evinrude 85 on it, and it's pretty, I think it's kind of rotten. I'm not sure. I didn't look at it very much, but it's free, and we're gonna go get it. Well, here it is. It's a barn find. Looks like it was last registered 2008. It's a MFG. It's got a 85 Evinrude. The seats don't look that bad. You know, this is gonna be kind of fun. I'm gonna try to get it going. It's actually kind of shiny. I wonder how many wasps are in it. I got the handy dandy Freightliner hooked to it. We're gonna try to get it up on here and see what happens. Look at that. Quite some time, over 10 years. Make sure I'm not dragging the foot. Oh, which I am. Unfortunately, it's probably just going to have to get drugged. Oh, let me get her up on here. Wow. Something like to use the transom as a toilet. Yeah, she's pretty rotten. More toilet. Poop everywhere. Why is everything always got to have poop all over it? Oh, she's loaded up. Let me go up there and see here, get the paperwork on it that she said she had. Let's bring it to the house. Alright, I got this crappy thing off the trailer. Kind of cleaned it out a little bit. Floor's rotten, of course, but I don't care. So the motor, it turns over. And it's all there. And the both fuel tanks are full of fuel, and the primer ball, it primed up, filled the carburetors up. And I mean, the crazy thing is this gas doesn't smell that bad. So I got one full tank there, about a quarter tank here, got another fuel hose. Motor turns over. I got a battery that I can put in it, and I got the keys over there. Hey, we might be in business. We might be going to the lake. I mean, why not? Let's try it. I'm gonna take this thing to the lake if we can get it to go. All right, it was a miracle. Fires right up. So guess what we're doing? We're going to the lake. This is gonna be great. Still got all the manuals. Check this out. This was found in there. 68's greatest. Strikingly new. Chevrolet, Chevelle, Camaro, Chevy 2, Corvette, Chevy trucks. Or that might be worth some money. South Pittsburgh. What else you got in there? You found the plug, right?
Mm-hmm. Brand new.
Hell yeah. Alright, let's go to the lake. Alright, we got hooked in the Dodge. Got some paddles. Got some life jackets. Yes, this is gonna happen. Damn, Jackson. Dude, you're gonna need these. The seat's nicely bolted in.
No room for activities.
I gotta sit somewhere. Hey, those are actually nice.
I know, that's so bad.
Look, they fold down. You need to take your girlfriend camping in this thing.
Let's go.
Look at it. It folds down like a damn high dollar ski boat. Who needs that? You ought to like build a big wakeboard tower out of exhaust pipe. Oh geez. Alright, we're gonna put this thing in the water. What the heck is that?
My mom.
Is that some of that seltzer crap?
No, that's all.
There was a bottle of Jack in there when I got it.
What's that?
I threw it out. Alright, here we go. We're gonna back her down. Damn, we got back the truck halfway down the water. Holy crap. She's in. Did you get the motor down? See if it'll run.
Hang on, I got a problem.
What?
Oh, it's spraying.
Oh, dude, it was fine. Just crank it, dude. It cranked up fine on in the yard. Oh man. Look at that. Runs perfect.
A little rich.
Alright, I'm gonna unhook it. You make a circle.
No, I'm just gonna park the boat.
No.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Just make sure it runs. Hang on. Alright, go for it. Oh. Look at this little turd. Yes. Yes. Alright. I'm gonna get the trailer out of the water and we're going for a ride. That's all there is to it. That thing just moves. I knew it would. That little bitty boat with that big old Evinrude. Oh man. Alright, I can't wait to ride. Alright, we got the trailer out. He's gonna come pick me up. She's running? Look, you can see all the oil.
Did it leave like a...
I mean, it did when we first started it. Look at this little thing, dude. It's running perfect.
I know.
No joke. Like turds and all in the transom. Dude, what happens when this thing just pops and quits?
I mean, it was fun.
Dude, this thing looks like it just moves. Like it looks like it moves.
Oh, it moved. That was like half.
Oh my god, dude. Alright, here we are. Let's do it. Let's hit it. Oh my god! Like we're way out here in the middle of Lake Chickamauga. Dude, I gotta give it to this little thing. Free. The windshield's rotten. You can't really see it, but it's bouncing. You can't see out nothing. Woo!
Get that right there. What is that? Is that on the road? Yeah. I don't know how accurate that is.
It's all good. Dude, the gas in it is like at least 10 years old. At least 2008. And it's running like a champ. Like I don't even know what to say. Now I got Jackson working in the turds. He's pulling the pin. He's gonna try to trim this thing up a little bit. Like he gets up on plane instantly, but it just kind of falls on his face. I mean, we know she's got more in it. This crusty ass floor. Don't spill water over into the turds.
Oh.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah. I'm just gonna relocate the pin.
All right, there's a trim pin. Unfortunately, this, what year is this thing? 78?
74.
74, 1974. It's a gypsy manufactured is what it is. 74, 1974 Evinrude. And we got all the papers on it, everything. It's amazing. All right, we're out here just playing around with the trim. We put it all the way up and this sucker started skating. I mean, just, and it got up to about 35. So we know it's got some juice, but we're gonna trim it down again a little bit and see what it does. There's actually another prop in here, a couple of them. And there's like one that's a pretty steep pitch, but I ain't gonna mess with all that. I mean, I don't know, this thing's just neat, I'm sorry. There's people out there tubing. We're gonna race them in the old, the manufactured gypsy.
Walk or no walk?
Holy shit! This thing actually moves. I'm getting turds in my face.
I know.
We're gonna name this the Crispy Turd. Look at the transom move all around. Right floor. Oh man. Like I can't even see out the windows. It's been sitting in the barn for so long.
Punch the windshield. Keep the turd out of your eye.
They don't line up no more.
No, it's too rotten.
That's how you tell if a boat is rotten. Close the windshield. If it don't line up, it's just throw it away. We turned up some weight, so we're gonna see if she'll jump. So much crap in my face.
Hey, it all came out of the anchor hole.
Oh man. Oh, jeez, oh Pete.
Awesome. Here, you drive.
Dude, this is probably the most fun I've had on the water. I don't know how long. I'm being serious.
I want some Scarab stickers.
Dude, I got the Scarab, I got the Silverton yacht, fast jet skis, everything else. And I'm serious, this is probably the most fun little turd I've had. Oh man, speaking of turds, like we're gonna name this thing. We're gonna name this thing the Crusty Turd. Literally, we're gonna spray paint outside of it, Crusty Turd. I don't know what he's doing.
Just gonna sit down and sunbathe for a minute.
Oh man, we're gonna pick up some chicks out here. So they've got the big fancy houses out there. You know, they're scoping us out, being like, oh man, check out that boat.
I can't, there's too much turn. We lost parts of the boat.
I took off and it fell out. All right, Jackson, you're gonna have to grab it. Reverse works, kinda. All right, this is horrible. All right, right here. Grab it. All right. Oh, there's so much shit in this boat. I mean, literally. We got asbestos just blowing all over in this 58 turd. Man, you know what sucks? We forgot our sunglasses, both of us. If we had our sunglasses, we could do something. Oh.
Oh, wait.
She just purring along. Oh, wait a minute. We do.
I got mine.
All right. There you go.
Let's go.
All right, we're ready. Here. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me get braced up.
All right, I'm gonna go this way. It seems to be more fun. Where the hell is the boat at? Oh, we're way the heck out here. We drifted. All right. Come on, little gypsy! Best thing about this boat is if you lose your fishing lure, it don't really matter. Like, oh man, I lost my fishing lure in the tree over here. Hey, go get it. Tilt where it's free loading. I don't know. Alright, let's go put it away. Alright, here we go. I've always wanted to do this.
Well, we made it back.
All right, I'm gonna call it an episode right here. This was a whole lot of fun. You know, we didn't break anything with the motor. I don't care about the boat. We just care about the motor. The boat's rotten. But anyway, thanks for watching. This has been great. We're just gonna sit here and chill for a minute, maybe go for another cruise. But anyway, see y'all next time.